Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best types of windshield wiper arms available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a restoration part, a universal tool, or a direct fit replacement, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. At number 3, we have the M31 Wiper Arm Puller Set. This versatile 5-piece set is designed for both front and rear wiper arms, featuring 4 cup-type removers and 1 puller with detachable legs. The adjustable bolts on the cup removers and puller expand its application range, making it suitable for compact cars and vehicles with tight spaces. The build quality is solid, with a durable construction that can withstand frequent use. The various cup diameters, ranging from 1.18 inches to 1.81 inches, ensure compatibility with a wide array of wiper arms. Its lightweight design and compact dimensions make it easy to store and transport, which is a big plus for mobile mechanics or those with limited garage space. This product is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable tool to remove wiper arms without the risk of damage. However, like the Stay Cool tool, it's not a replacement arm, so it's more of a maintenance accessory. Pros include its versatility, durable construction, and wide compatibility. Cons are its higher weight compared to single tools and the fact that it's not a direct replacement for wiper arms. Overall, it's a great investment for those who frequently work on different types of vehicles. Finally, at number 1, we have the back rear wiper blade arm by EMPI BDE. This product is a perfect fit for the Acura MDX 2022 to 2025 models, including the base, SHAWD, and Type S trims. Made from a combination of pure natural rubber, plastic, and metal, it ensures durability, flexibility, and resistance to aging, making it an excellent choice for long-term use. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the look of your Acura MDX. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its precise fit and hook-tight mounting. This product performs exceptionally well in both rain and snow, keeping your rear windshield clear and ensuring optimal visibility. At $24.98, it offers great value for money and is one of the most affordable yet high-quality options on the market. Pros include its excellent build quality, ease of installation, and compatibility with multiple Acura MDX trims. The only potential downside is its vehicle-specific design, meaning it's not a universal option. However, for Acura MDX owners, this is hands down the best choice. It's a reliable, durable, and affordable replacement that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest product reviews. If you have any questions about these windshield wiper arms, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.